Hi, I'm Allie, and today for my experiment on the sense of smell, I decided to make my own experiment based off the idea that was shown in a past experiment that I found, in which they took these, so the subject had a strawberry and they were eating it, and they had to talk about how sweet it was. And when they were given something that smelled like, when they were smelling strawberry, the strawberry tasted sweeter, whereas I think they smelled peanut butter, and strawberry didn't taste as sweet. So I took that idea, and for my experiment, I'm going to be having my subject smell something sweet, which is going to be vanilla, and then also smell something salty, so I'm using soy sauce, and they are going to be tasting an apple. And so I'm going to blindfold them and have like a piece of paper soaked in whatever, like the vanilla or the soy sauce, under their nose, and then they're going to take a bite, like a slice of apple, take a bite out of a slice of apple. And I decided to do this because I find it really interesting how our sense of smell affects the flavor of something. So hopefully it works. Okay, so you're going to take a bite out of this while also smelling this. So here, take that.
Okay.
And take a big scent and take a bite. Now, can you tell me like what flavor you're tasting? Is it sweet?
Really sweet.
Really sweet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, we're gonna do the same thing. And then smell this one and take another bite. What about that one?
It's way less sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just smelled vanilla and soy sauce. Do you know what food you were eating?
Apple.
Okay. So yeah. So as you saw, the subject did taste like that the apple was sweeter when he smelt the vanilla. And I find this like super interesting because I talked to him afterwards and he was like, it was a really drastic difference. And like when I told him what they were, he's like, that's crazy. And it's just really interesting to see how our smell affects our taste. And I think it's really important, especially like when I was doing research for this paper, I read something about like old people, how since they don't have the greatest sense of smell, it just kind of like gets worse as you get older, you have to find other ways to make food interesting. Like it said to like add colorful, like lots of vegetables, lots of different textures, instead of like, there's like that common trope of old people over salting their food, over seasoning it. So there's just other things that you have to do when that sense of smell starts to go away. And it's just crazy how easy it is to trick the taste buds, even though it's not so much taste buds, just like what you taste with that smell. So I'm really glad that this experiment worked. It was really cool.